Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. Make sure that you have an updated TikTok app on your phone. So once you're in there, opening the app and then tap the create icon or the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then select live from the menu settings. Now you can see there the camera, the story, templates, and then you'll be able to see there the word live. So once you select live, you will be able to see a preview of your video feed. So in this preview, you can add a title of your live stream or turn off and on your comments. You can add effects from here or filters. You can choose a charity support, and you can share your live stream through a social media platform or messaging service. Now once you're ready, just tap go live to begin streaming your video. And once you've finished with your live event, just simply tap the power button on the bottom of the menu screen and just pause it. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.